Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharpening pencils. Pencils this time, okay? Not just one individual weak pencil. I'm going to sharpen all of these here pencils. And this time, we're going electric. So let's see how electrifying this thing is. And so, we get to it. Starting with, I think this is leopard print. It's a leopard print. You guys tell me, is this leopard print? I think it's leopard print. Either this sound is going to be really annoying or really peaceful, so would you look at that? That's a nice pencil. See that point? I mean, might not be perfect, but hey. We're not striving for perfection today. We're just striving for... I don't even know what the heck we're striving for. Let's just keep on going. Oh, dear God. That's two. We got like... I feel like I should do a count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 10 pencils here. 8 more to go. Let's do this. This one is just a little stripy pattern, as y'all can observe. Here we go. So close. There we go. Plain yellow pencil, a Dixon number 2. Alright, there's that. Another plain pencil. Done. This one is a pretty one, although it's like 6 years back. It's so old. Okay. Now I have a Christmas style pencil. Look at it. It has Santa Clauses on it. I don't know, can you observe that? Can you see that? See what all the... Can you see what all that jazz is going on? But yeah, it's a Christmas. It's all good. 3 more, guys, then we're done. Got some Dr. Seuss here. We got like 2 of these. I think I wrote on this. I colored this. Okay, I colored this with like Sharpie or highlighter or something. But y'all can see that it's discolored in a sense. Bam, good points. 2 more to go and then we're done. Alright, this one is, the places you'll go. Yes, the many places I'll go. Mainly to school, Walmart, and home. Holy cow, that point is huge. And now we're on our final one, which is this here. Happy birthday pencil. Which, I don't know what birthday I got this for. Probably a long time ago, but I never sharpened it. And now I finally will. And there we go. All the pencils are sharpened. They're quite a lovely bunch. Life is good. I'm out.